Introduced in 2019, NorthPoint Cabinetry by Hardware Resources offers a full line of beautiful cabinets for the kitchen, bath, and home. Cabinets have a dovetail design for fast assembly and achieve a custom look with totally clean interiors. NorthPoint Cabinetry products are available in 2 price points and 3 door styles. The Essentials collection from NorthPoint Cabinetry is a framed cabinet with partial overlay doors and drawers and features a 3/4-inch solid wood face frame, 1/2-inch plywood cabinet construction, premium 100% water-based finishes, a 5-piece shaker door, slab drawer fronts, matching exterior end panels, an ultraviolet coated natural birch interior, undermount self-closing epoxy slides, and 6-way adjustable hinges. The Premier collection from NorthPoint Cabinetry has the features of the Essentials collection, plus full extension undermount drawer slides and 6-way adjustable soft-close hinges, 5-piece shaker drawer fronts, and is a framed cabinet with full overlay doors and drawers. NorthPoint Cabinetry cabinets look custom from the outside and from the inside. The inside is completely clean, no brackets or fasteners showing, just like full custom. The cabinets assemble quickly and with just a screw gun or screwdriver and a rubber mallet for tools. Hinges and slides are pre-attached. Dovetail construction means fast assembly. Hidden pocket screws add rigidity. A base cabinet can be assembled in 5 to 10 minutes, and quality is built in. Available in 3 beautiful finishes: polar white, pebble gray, and espresso. Our premium 19-step finishing process achieves a consistent high-end result. Experience a full line with NorthPoint Cabinetry, over 1,700 selections in stock. Complete the look with finish moldings, light rails, decorative fillers, end panels, beaded back panels, our knobs and pulls, and with our organizers and lighting sized to fit NorthPoint Cabinetry. Manufactured in North America, our cabinets are in stock in Tampa, Memphis, and Phoenix. Orders ship within 48 hours. To learn more about NorthPoint Cabinetry, go to northpointcabinetry.com to see our cabinetry information on the Hardware Resources website. If you are already a Hardware Resources dealer, log in to see additional product and pricing details and contact your Hardware Resources sales representative.